Hey guys, Luke here, your digital concierge of Gramophone. Now, you guys are probably wondering, Luke, where's the product? Well, it's funny you should ask because it's been under our noses this entire time. We're taking a look at the Frame by Samsung. Beautiful any way you look at it, the Frame can enhance any space by projecting a beautiful piece of art into your room and by enhancing the way you watch TV with a more connected and intelligent experience. So let's finally talk about the TV that has carried our Gramophone logo and been behind me in almost every video that we've done. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to the Gramophone channel and click that bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any of the great product highlights we have coming, and boy, is there some good stuff on the way. Alright, let's talk about the features of the Frame. This is powered by Samsung's Tizen operating system, which provides a very smooth and well-featured experience for looking up different pieces of art and just simply operating the TV as well, a TV. The Frame is built using Samsung's quantum dot technology, which is some of Samsung's best screen-producing technology. That's going to offer you an extremely high color volume and a great sense of contrast and brightness thanks to the dual LED backlight, making this TV a wonderful viewing experience. And because of that quantum dot technology, you get great viewing angles, making this a very flexible TV. It also features adaptive picture where it can sense the brightness of the room and make the appropriate adjustments all by itself. It also features Samsung's AVA technology. This is a really cool smart tech. It stands for Active Voice Amplifier, and it will make adjustments to the TV sound field based on what it picks up in the surrounding environment, ensuring that you get maximum clarity and intelligibility. Lastly, you get Samsung's multi-view feature, and this one's really cool. You can run the screen split screen, half TV, and the other half being something Chromecasted from your phone. So imagine watching the football game on one side, but also keeping up with a YouTube video you've been wanting to watch on the other. I think that's pretty cool. Alright guys, now we're going to talk about the design aspect of the Samsung Frame TV. And being that this product is so heavily focused on design as a feature itself, we figured it'd be a good idea to show you rather than just talk about it. But let's go through the basics first. This is available in a plethora of sizes. You have 32, 43, 55, 65, and 75. So Samsung has it cut to blend into almost any room in your house. Alright, being the Frame TV and being focused around art when it's not being used as a TV, this of course has a built-in art mode, which allows you to pick from many different pieces that you can download from the Samsung Art Store to have a curated collection of many beautiful images that blend right into your room and look deceptively like a painting on your wall when the TV is not in use. Samsung has really nailed this feature and they give you great options to choose from. You can add up to 1,200 pieces from a growing collection of artwork curated by Samsung that features pieces such as Art Space, Magnum Photos, Yellow Corner, as well as the Royal Collection Trust, just to name a few. You can also enable the auto curation feature in which the TV will learn what your style is and automatically pick pieces similar to ones that you've already been manually selecting. Pretty cool feature. You guys might hear that and think, why would I want a TV that never turns off? Well, Samsung actually thought of that and they installed a motion sensor into the Frame TV that when it detects your presence will put a beautiful image up, but when it doesn't, will darken the screen and keep it from running up your electric bill, which is wonderful. Lastly, the bezels, which are highly customizable by the way, but does come out of the box with a standard black frame bezel like you've seen in our studio room. But the Frame TV is a custom integrator's dream, and that is precisely what we do best here at Gramophone. So looking at the example behind me, you can see how we built a Frame TV into the wall of a living room setup that looks wonderful with those walnut bezels and mantle. You can do something just like that in your home, and we here at Gramophone are fully prepared to make any design you want to look absolutely beautiful and fit the overall aesthetic of your room. For an additional price, of course. Get creative. What do you want it to look like in your room, and let your imagination run wild? We can help you with that. And one final note about a very unique feature is that the bezels are magnetized. Alright, now let's talk about the compatibility of the Frame TV, and this actually has a lot of unique compatibility options. The first of those is mobile mirroring, where you can use your phone to project photos, videos, and music onto your TV using things such as SmartThings and AirPlay 2. One really awesome feature is Tap View. You can actually take your phone, given that it's set up for it, walk up to your TV, and just tap it, and it will put whatever image or video is on your phone and slap it directly onto the TV for a larger screen viewing. Seamless! That's cool. It also features voice control using Bixby, Amazon's Alexa, and Google Assistant. Nice. Lastly, it features the Samsung One remote, which is a very handy and functional remote, as well as the Samsung mobile app, allowing you to easily control your TV and also access the art gallery functions very easily. Starting at just under $500, the Samsung Frame TV delivers a whole world of content beyond basic TV watching, such as streaming, all while looking absolutely beautiful, and primarily delivering that wonderful Samsung art gallery to your room that will warm up any space. If you're interested in the Frame TV or any other Samsung product for that matter, head on over to Gramophone.com for more information or give us a call at one of our showrooms. If you guys need any help with project ideas, if you need to schedule a service request, or you'd like to speak to one of our hi-fi home theater and interior design experts, get inspired at Gramophone.com. And if you have any questions for me about anything I've covered here on the channel, ask at Gramophone.com. I'd love to help you out. Also, be sure to come visit us at one of our showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland, as well as at our lovely Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland, where you can see the Samsung Frame for yourself. Also, guys, don't forget to check us out on social media. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. You can see the links down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, guys, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. But of course, I want to hear back from you guys. Tell me what you think of the Frame. As always, thank you guys. It's a pleasure doing this for you. Be seeing you.